Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nkirote and this is Nkirote, rebranded, also known as ONR. First of all guys, today we are shooting from a different angle. We are unboxing the laptop finally. I did do a video last week showing you guys the mindset and the process of choosing a laptop on Amazon. I'll be sharing how to order, how to make payment, how to ship it in, and all that good stuff. So definitely stay till the end so that you get all that scoop. Before we unbox guys, please like our video if you do enjoy and if you do learn something. Also please check if you have subscribed, and if you have, thank you so much because you're helping me put the lights on in ONR. Finally guys, here's the laptop. Yeah, so there's a whole sticker with everything. Most gamers have interesting stickers on their laptops, so I guess that's that. And then inside we have a warranty information. So basically warranty from ASUS. Guys, the packaging is intense, my goodness. I'm genuinely 100% sure that I was paying for packaging because this is a lot of cardboard, my goodness. And this is the laptop guys, let me show you how it looks. That is it for the unboxing. I have showed you guys what the laptop came with. This is basically the charger and the adapter. This goes into the laptop, this pin, and then this pin here is this one, right? The 3 holes, you put it here, and then now this one goes into the socket, basically to charge the laptop. One of you guys commented, shout out to the Peachside podcast. She said, kindly show us how to order, shipping fee, where to pick it from, where do they deliver, and what amount do we pay at the picking station. In this video I'm only going to do a summary. If you have never imported anything from Amazon, please go and watch these particular videos. I have 2 videos guys that I have explicitly explained is how to buy and place an order on Amazon, and the second one is how to pay and ship in your goods from Amazon. So please go watch those 2 videos first because it'll explain how Amazon works as an ecosystem or an echo chamber, how I also ship in my goods and other companies that you can consider. Then now come to watch this video so that you understand why I'm going to say something. So anyway, you add it to cart the way I have guys, and then you go to the cart basically. And now when you go to your cart, this is where you make payment, right? So you can say proceed to checkout. I hope I don't have money because it's going to literally deduct my money. The thing with Amazon, you can pay with 2 types of cards. If you have a normal bank card, you can pay with your normal bank card, but it's going to charge you in Kenya shillings and then like convert to the US rate. If you are able to get a foreign currency card, please do. However, with the dollar rate becoming so expensive right now, the dollar to shilling rate, if you're not being paid in dollars, I don't even see the point of you getting a foreign currency card. If you are paid in dollars, it will be at an advantage for you because you would just deposit the dollars into the foreign currency card and just make the purchase directly. But if you're going to do a lot of purchases on Amazon, you can compare for yourself and see if it's cheaper to just buy with your Kenya shilling card, or if it's better if you just went to the bureau and acquired dollars. So for me, we had dollars, we just loaded into the card and then purchased the laptop. Now that address has to be the address that your shipping agent gives you, so that your laptop is delivered to that address, so that your shipping agent, in my case something random, brings my laptop to me in Kenya. And that's what we did. This is the invoice. Now, before I actually go to the invoice, I remember telling you guys that your shipping agent will charge you based on the weight of your laptop. And if assuming this is the laptop I got, if I go down, right, there's a place that they actually show you the weight. So this is not the laptop I got in exact, but I'm just using it as an example. So when you have to scroll all the way down, and then you're going to see the weight of the laptop. Here it is. So this laptop, they've put 8.75 pounds. It can give you an idea of how much your shipping will be. Now, there are some sellers that will tell you the weight of the laptop itself. Like the person I bought it from, he was like, the laptop is 4.85 pounds. But he did not consider the packaging, which the packaging is a lot because of safety of the laptop in transit. So the packaging was about 3.5 pounds, so that's why it came to 8 pounds. So if you're able to check the item weight and then ask the shipping agent for the price, you can foresee how much you're going to be paying ahead. Now, if you go back to my invoice, you're going to see that they mentioned in my invoice that it was 8 pounds and they were charging $9.75 a pound. And because the package was 8 pounds, I paid $78, and they were using an exchange rate of 140.7. I paid 10,974 shillings for the shipping. Now, if you're going to ship in anything from America that has a battery and it's coming into Kenya, again, there's a whole list: lithium ion battery, dry cell battery, perfume, aerosols, lithium metal batteries. There is a document that you have to apply for. They do it for you. It's 2,500 shillings for that. And then finally it's the delivery. So you can actually opt to go to something random. Our location is in Karen, the stables. They have a office there and you can just pick your item, but I live on the other side of Nairobi, guys. I'm in Nkirote sides. All the way to Karen, I might as well just pay 1,000. I save time. I'm saving my time, okay? So yeah, so the total shipping and delivery costs for the laptop came to 14,474 shillings and 60 cents. And guys, that is my invoice that I've just showed you right now. Now, you're probably going to ask, Olive, tell us then the total cost. So I did mention that I purchased the laptop at a discount for $1,032. The laptop was $1,032. If you were to go to the bureau right now to buy dollars from them, they'll sell you the dollars at around 138.7, depending on the exchange rate of the day. So the laptop on its own in Kenya shillings was 143,138 shillings and 40 cents. Okay. Then if we were to add the shipping costs and the delivery and the documentation for a lithium battery, I spent a total of 157,613 shillings on that laptop. Okay, so that is the total. And this is where I tell you guys, comment down below if you think that you could get this laptop for cheaper in Kenya with the same specs. Guys, ensure it's the same specs because the specs really matter. And I'd like to know if I spent less or if I spent more. So based on anyone who's watching this video, and these are the specs of my laptop, guys, please tell me how much they are charging or how much they're selling, and then I can finally either decide or debunk if it's cheaper to import for yourself or if it's just easier and cheaper to buy local. That is everything actually that I wanted to share on this video. I feel like I've given you guys all the details. In case you also want to consult me personally, it could be about anything. It could be about importing, it could be about how I make money, or how you could make money with how I make money. It could be about literally anything that you've seen value from this channel. Feel free to book a consultation call with me on my website, www.onrafrica.com. We have consultations at a discount, 2,000 shillings for 1 hour and 1,000 shillings for 30 minutes. Guys, that's not even $10. That is way less than $10 for 30 minutes. But anyway, feel free to reach out to me if you want personal assistance with anything. I will definitely guide and help you out. If you'd like to see me install stuff on my laptop, follow through with how the laptop is taking me, the speed, the vibes and all that, follow me on Instagram. I am actually very active, and I repeat, very active on Instagram. Actually the only social media platform apart from YouTube that I'm active on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for sticking by. Definitely like, subscribe if you haven't, guys, please do, and share this video to anyone looking to import a laptop. Show them that it's possible through this video. I love you guys, and till next time, I want to remind you to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Mwah! Bye guys, see you on the next one.